everyone. We are solving grade 8 mathematics CBSE chapter number 12 factorization exercise 12.1 question number 2 example 7. The earlier examples are already posted. Let's have the seventh example 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c square. Here we can observe that each the variable here are the different. Here is the a, b and the c. So definitely there will be no variable will be common. Let's have the look for the constants, that is the coefficient. So let's have the factors of the 10a square. So 10 can be factorized as 2 5 are 10, 5 1 are 5. So 2 into 5. A square can be factorized as a into a. 15b square. 15 is odd number. It can be divisible by 3. 3 5 is 15. 5 is a odd number, prime number itself. 5 1 is 5. So 3 into 5. B square can be factorized as b into b. 20c square. 20 can be factorized as 2 10s are 20. 2 5s are 10. And 2 5 1s are 5. 2 into 2 into 5. C square can be factorized as c into c. Now let's take the common factor is what? 5. Because 2 is the common here and first and third, but not common in the second, and the 3 is the factor of the second term, not the first and third. So only common factor is the 5. So common factor is 5. 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c square. Write down the factors of the each. I have written one below other. So we can able to recognize the common factor as what? 5 only. So what is the remaining other than 5 if the 5 is taken as common? What is the remaining? 2 into a into a. Write down. Here with the sign 3 minus into 3 into b, and here 2 into 2 into c into c. So 2 into a will be what? 2a square. 3 into b is what? 3b square. 2 into 2 into c will be what? 2 to the 4, 4c square. So whenever you got the answer, always highlight your answer. Thank you so much and keep on watching. Thank you.